Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. So let's get started. First of all, open your application onto your device. You may just download it from Play Store or App Store. After that, you need to tap on Bitcoin. And here you see the option of buy Bitcoin. Just tap on it and enter the value of the Bitcoin you want to buy. Here, just tap in the amount that you want to purchase and tap on continue. After that, tap on your Bitcoin account and tap on continue. And then you will be redirected to this another browser. Web page, just wait for some seconds. And then on the next page, you need to add a payment method, a debit card or a bank transfer. If you have your debit card, you just need to tap on the first option and tap your billing address here and go further process with the payment by entering your card number, your passkey and everything. Or you may use bank transfer for purchasing Bitcoin on MoonPay app. Just go further with the process of payment and you will be able to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay very easily. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful.